Hi, boys and girls. Please write your name at the top of your paper. Today, we are looking for hidden words. When we find a word, we will then circle it and write it on the line with our pencil. The first word I find is here, and the word is tip. Finger stretch tip. T-I-P. Tip. Please write tip. T-I-P. Tip. Very nice. On that same boy, on his shoe, I see another hidden word. Please circle the hidden word. The word is big. Finger stretch big. B-I-G. Please write big. B-I-G. Big. Our next word is here at the tip of the pencil. Please circle our hidden word at the top of the pencil. The word is pit. Please finger stretch pit. P-I-T. Pit. Please write pit with your pencil. P-I-T. Pit. On her shirt, I see another hidden word. Please circle the hidden word. The word is did. Finger stretch. D-I-D. Did. Please write did. D-I-D. Did. On her shoe, I can see another hidden word. Please circle that word. The word is win. W-I-N. Win. Please write win. W-I-N. Win. I see our next hidden word right here on the pencil the boy is holding. Please circle that hidden word. The word is. Finger stretch is. I-Z. Is. Please write the word is. I-Z. Is. Our next word is here on his shoe. The word is fit. Please finger stretch fit. F-I-T. Fit. F-I-T. Fit. Our next word is up here in the girl's hair. It's kind of hard to see, but that is the word hit. Finger stretch hit. It. Hit. Please write the word hit. It. Hit. Our next word, here on her arm, please circle the hidden word in. Please finger stretch in. I-N. In. Please write in. I-N. In. And our last word is kid. Please finger stretch. K-I-D. Kid. Please write the word kid. K-I-D. Kid. Way to go, boys and girls. Flip over your paper. Okay, boys and girls, we are doing color by family. We can see that we have different endings to different words. Our first crayon here is pink. Any word that ends in ip, we will color pink. Our next crayon says yellow. Any words that end in id, we will color that box yellow. Our next crayon is blue. And any words that end in, we will color blue. I don't have an orange, but any words that end in it, you will color orange. I also don't have a purple, but any words that end in ig, you will color purple. And our last crayon says green. Any words that end in M, you will color green. So for example, our first word over here, I can see in the corner, says jig. Ig. I can see it ends in the ig word family. So I'm going to color that box purple. Now Mrs. Nimitz doesn't have a purple, so please color that box purple because it ends in ig. Our next box over, we have the word pig, and it also ends in ig. So please color pig purple. Down here I see the word dip, D-I-P, dip. Dip ends in the word family ip. So I'm going to color it pink. And I color the whole box pink because it ends in ip. Our next one over, I can see is hip. I-P. Hip. Hip ends in ip with the ip word family. So I'm going to color that box pink because it ends in ip. My next word is lip. O-I-P. Lip. Lip ends in ip. So I'm going to color it red because it ends in ip. My next word is nip. N-I-P. Nip. I'm going to color that box red because it ends in ip. My next box says hid. H-I-D. Hid. Words that end in id, I color yellow. So I'm going to color this box yellow because it ends in id. Our next word is kid. K-I-D. Kid. Kid also ends in id. So I'm going to color that box yellow. Our next word is rid. R-I-D. Rid. I know that rid ends in id, so I'm going to color this box yellow because any word that ends in id, I'm going to color it yellow. Last one, I can see bid. B-I-D. Bid. Bid also ends in yellow. It ends in id, so I color it yellow. Okay, right over here, we're going to jump to this word, dim. D-I-M. Dim. I can see dim ends in im. So I'm going to color it green. Any words that end in im, I color it green. Then I have the word him. H-I-M. Him. Him also ends in im, so I'm going to color it green. we're going to move to the bottom for a little bit. This word right here, tin, in, tin, ends in. So I'm going to color it blue. Any words that end in, I'm going to color blue. Then right next to tin, I see pin. P-I-N, pin. Any words that end in, I color blue. So I'm going to color this entire space blue. Okay, my friends, I think you start to see the pattern. Pay attention to your crayons at the top because they will tell you what color you need to color the word family. Good luck. You're going to do great.